Alright, this is a demonstration of the PhotoIndexer software. There's essentially two steps here. What we want to do first is select the source folder. This folder contains the pictures from your camera, whatever device you have. So for me, I currently have a folder called Sample inside my pictures library, and when you take a look at that folder, pictures, sample, you'll see here that I just have some sample images that I'm going to roll through. So these will be the images that I'm going to add a label or an index to. So go ahead and select that folder, and then we want to select the destination folder. I have created a temporary folder on my D drive, so that's where I want to put the images when I'm complete. Over here is a sample image, and this simply shows you where the indexer label will be positioned on the photo. There's a few options down here below it that allow you to kind of control its position. So for example, if I want to take this label and kind of move its vertical position to the bottom, I simply go to the drop down, select bottom, and it will move it. Now it's not entirely at the bottom. There are some margins that kind of make up for, you know, when the image is being displayed on television and such. You can control the font size simply by adjusting the number here. So there's 80, I can go 200 for example. You'll see just how big that starts to get. In fact, it's so large there it's hardly usable. I kind of like 50. The font color, you're free to again change this to whatever color you would like the label to be shown in, and then you can take your background color here, and this is kind of a banner that the information, the label sits against. And right now it's completely transparent, and I can cause the label to become more solid just by adjusting the bar down here. So when I have everything kind of the way I want, all I need to do is click on this button for index photos, and you'll see it fly through the images, and when you see the monkey, you're basically done. Go ahead and go to your again, your destination folder. For me it was this temp, and it creates two folders, one called clobbered and one called original. If you go and look at the clobbered folder, you'll notice here that I have the images again, but this time they actually have a label that has been put onto each image. And of course this computer could then be attached to a television, and you just simply go to slideshow, and it simply shows all the images now with an image or with the index number on them. So for me, let's say for example I like number 4 here. What I can do is I can come back to the temporary folder and go to my original, and you find number 4, which is in the file name right there, and there it is without the banner. That's basically how you use the PhotoIndexer software. There's not much to it. Thank you.